Hey, it's Eric with RegFox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically close down your registration page on a certain date and time, and also do the opposite, how to automatically open your registration page on a certain date and time and capture lead emails in the meantime. Two really great settings to know. They are in the settings panel here, and we're going to go under the dates. So let's look at some of the options here. So the first option here is the event date. And if you insert a date here, a start and end date, that will actually populate the add to calendar feature on the confirmation page. And so if you have a prescribed date and time, put that in there because the add to calendar will use those dates on there. But what I want to show you is how to create a registration open and close date. So let's choose the close date first, where you might want to shut down registration when your event starts. So let's say that we'll set a date here in the past that registration closes here. Now we want you to always keep registration open as long as possible because people will register within hours of your event. So keep it open as long as possible, and our check-in app will always grab new registrants that have recently registered. So be sure to keep a wide registration open date as you can. But when you decide to close it, you can set a date here, and you also can set a message. And you can say, sorry, registration is closed. You snooze, you lose. Little snappy, fun example here. And we'll save and publish. So I've set this in the past. So now we have our message, sorry, registration is closed. You snooze, you lose. There's my custom message. So that's how you can automatically shut down registration on a prescribed date and time that you want. And so your registration page will close down precisely at this time you set. And if you're looking for the time zone, it's in the basic setting here under time zone. So that will be the time zone set for these dates. So that is an example for closing registration. So let's clear this out, clear the date. Now let's set a future date. And so let's go ahead and put it in the future here. And we'll make a custom message. And then we'll save and publish. And we'll look at what this looks like. And what this will do is it's going to create a nice little countdown clock to when registration opens. And if people put in their email addresses in here, when this clock reaches 0, they will all get an email letting them know that it's time to register. So a great way to publish your page, get that promoting URL that you can share everywhere, and then have your registration page be blocked until the exact time that you want. Pretty awesome there. There's one other option I want to show you in here, which has to do with closing down registration when you sell out. And so it is this checkbox here. It says close down registration when registration options sell out. And what that is going to look at is our registration options field. Just to show it to you here, we have these two choices here, where either the supply for the overall capacity reaches its limit, or both of the choices between these two are also filled out. So whatever one reaches first, so whether you reach the full capacity and these are not limited, or if these have limits and both of them reach the limit, you can automatically close down your registration page when this is checked and you have a message here. So when those registration options get sold out, the page will automatically get closed down and display a custom message there. Well, that's it for now. You now know how to automatically close registration based on a date and time, and automatically open registration on a date and time, as well as automatically shutting down the page when you're sold out. Cool features here. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions about this, reach out to our team. They'll be happy to help, and I will catch you in the next demo.